Hello, I'm Julie from the Andrew Grant Ludlow office, and I'm here today to show you some of the beautiful, quaint, tucked away villages on the Shropshire and Herefordshire borders. Here I am in Wigmore village. This is my first choice for you. Wigmore village is situated between Ludlow and Lentwardine and offers a lot of tourist attractions and some absolutely superb views. It has a castle and a shop. If you're up to it, you can actually be a volunteer. A short walk from the village brings you to this magnificent Wigmore Castle. It was owned for centuries by the Mortimer family, and you can see how it's surrounded by beautiful countryside. Look how it rises from the ground and towers above the hills, that grand spectre looking at you. Here I am in Lentwardine, where the River Clun flows into the River Tame. There's also one last existing parlour in here, which is one of Camera's heritage sites. Very, very popular for tourists, for cycling, for river fishing. Thousands of people come here each year in the summer period, and indeed they come here in the winter period for walking. And finally, here I am at the last village that I'm going to show you today. This is the village of Bucknell, or historically known as Old Goats Hill. There's a bus service to and from Ludlow, and the centre point of the village is this beautiful church, which there are activities happening during the day and on the evenings. Bucknell borders onto the Herefordshire border and the Welsh border, and this is the gateway into Wales. There is a lot of walking activities and cycling activities for anybody who likes the outdoor life, or indeed dog walking. There's some fantastic trails for dogs up here and some fantastic countryside to discover. Look what we've just found out here, this little gem, where you can come along and you can swap books without having gone to the library. Bucknell even comes with its own railway line, with access to London, Swansea, Cardiff and Crewe. I hope you've enjoyed this little tour of the village as much as I have. And if you're interested in viewing any properties in these villages, just give me a call, because we always have something available for you.